Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to uninstall apps on Windows 11 quickly and easily. First, click on the Start button or press the Windows key to open the Start menu. Here, you can find the Settings app. It looks like a gear icon. Click on it to open your settings. Once you're in Settings, navigate to the Apps section on the left sidebar. Inside Apps, click on Installed Apps. This will show you a list of all the applications currently installed on your system. Now, find the app you want to uninstall. I want to delete my Tic-Tac-Toe app. You can use the search bar at the top to find it faster, or scroll through the list. Once you've located the app, click on the three dots next to its name, then select Uninstall. A prompt will appear asking for confirmation. Click Uninstall again to confirm. Some apps might ask you to follow additional steps to complete the uninstallation process, so just follow any further instructions if they appear. And that's it. You've successfully uninstalled an app from Windows 11. Repeat these steps for any other apps you wish to remove. Remember, uninstalling apps can help free up your system's storage and improve its performance. So it's good practice to remove any applications you no longer use. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. See you next time.